Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am super excited to show you how to make homemade red currant jam. It is very easy. Needs only 2 ingredients. Taste is delicious. For this recipe I am using 400 gram of fresh red currant, 100 gram of sugar, and I have one clean container ready for storage. That's it. Super simple. First I am putting all 400 gram of red currants into a small pan. Now I add 100 gram of sugar on top. Give it a good mix so the sugar coats all the currants nicely. No need to add anything extra. Now time to cook. Turn on the heat to medium and start cooking. I will stir continuously for about 10 minutes. Watch how the currants release their juice. It becomes more and more liquid. After few minutes, you will see it slowly getting thicker. Cook until it reaches a nice thick. It usually takes around 10 minutes on medium heat. Once it is thick enough, I turn off the heat. Now it is ready. Go into the container. Carefully pour the hot jam into the clean container. Look at that beautiful deep red color. And here it is, my delicious homemade red currant jam. It is sweet and perfect on toast, with yogurt, or even with cheese. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want more easy homemade recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.